Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 1. Let's get straight to it. S1 requires you to analyze a business problem to identify the role of digital and technology solutions. Your goal here is simple: don't just be a fixer, be an investigator. You must show evidence in your portfolio that you took time to understand why something was broken before you applied a patch. The key concept to master is differentiating between the symptom, what the user sees, and the root cause, the actual defect. To demonstrate this skill, use the 5 whys technique. It is universally recognized and easy to evidence. Simply state the problem and ask why 5 times to drill down. For example, the report is late. Why? Data wasn't ready. Why? The server timed out. Why? It was overloaded at 9 a.m. Root cause: we have a scheduling conflict on the server. Top tip: scribble this down on a whiteboard or notepad, take a photo, and upload it to your portfolio. That is valid, authentic evidence of analysis. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. If you are in software or data, when a bug comes in, don't just patch it. Investigate the source. Is it code, data, or user error? If you are in networking or security, look for patterns in your alerts. Is this a one-off or a systemic weakness? If you are a consultant or BA, push back on feature requests. Ask, what business problem are we actually solving here? Your action: write a one-sentence problem statement for your current task. The problem is X, it affects Y, and it is costing us Z. For your portfolio, use this exact STARR structure. Situation: users complained about slow load times. Task: I needed to identify the root cause. Action: this is the money section. I analyzed the server logs. I used the 5 whys technique. I spoke to the users to gather facts. You must describe the investigation. Result: I identified the specific database error. Reflection: I learned that taking time to analyze prevents rework later. Finally, for your major project, you must include S1 in your report, usually in Chapter 1 under Business Context. You need to include quantitative data, charts, error logs, or survey results that proves the problem existed before you started. Clearly state the impact in time or money lost. And critically, show that you considered other options. This proves your project has real business value and wasn't just a random idea.